what negatives are? Well, they're great, and we'll explain how to use them. So if you think about an exercise having two modalities, the concentric phase and the eccentric phase, which one should you train with? Research shows that the eccentric phase is more effective for building strength and muscle than the concentric phase. So my concentric phase would look like this, and my eccentric phase would look like that, the part where it goes down. Working the eccentric phase is more efficient for building muscle than the concentric phase. And that is a place most people get tripped up in trying to increase strength, because they'll drop the weights or they'll just come right down off the pull-up bar. They only focus on the first half of the movement. Focus on the other part of the movement and you'll see your strength go up very quickly. So, the answer to your question, you need to reduce the complexity of the difficulty of the exercises so that you can do the full range of motion. So, show me your squat. We could do a close leg squat so we have a skirt. I know you can't do it all the way. That's okay. Just show me what you can do. Okay? Good. So, in order to help her get down, one way we would do that is by allowing her to put some of the load. You can hold the sides, right? And I'm going to give you some resistance so you can pull down. You should be able to go all the way down. Okay? Now you'll be able to do the full range of motion and get stronger. To make it harder, I might use a thinner band. The thinner band, she'll have less to pull on because it's going to stretch, right? And work her way up that way. The TRX suspension trainer is also really effective for doing that. Form. Form is a big one. YouTube is wonderful, but it also shows you all sorts of horrible ways to do things. I'm going to do a kettlebell swing the wrong way, and I want you guys to tell me what's wrong with my swing. Well, the answer is that's completely not the way you do a swing at all. All right? It's very simple. There is no squat in a swing, and you do not lift the kettlebell. What I was doing was some kind of mutant lateral squat lift, right? What I was doing was squatting and then using my deltoids to lift up the kettlebell. That's completely wrong. You're actually not using any of the muscles designed. The kettlebell works your glutes and your lats.